Right, let's take. Hello, my name's Martin, and I would like to show you a couple of models that I enjoy flying at my local radio control model flying club, which is at the Fradley near Lichfield in Staffordshire. The first model I'd like to show you is a historic model of a four-side glider known as an ASK-21. This is the full-size version is made out of fiberglass, whereas this is made out of expanded polystyrene. This particular model has a wingspan of 2 meters, which is 6.5 feet long. No, it's not. Yes, it is. And it has got a T-tail configuration in line with most high-performance gliders these days. The full-size version is made out of fiberglass, whereas this one is made out of expanded polystyrene. Although this is a glider, this particular model has got a motor in the front and a folding propeller, unlike the full-size version, which is a pure glider. When the glider is launched by hand, the motor is turning at full throttle and the propeller blades fly out due to centrifugal force, and when the motor is stopped, the airflow blows the blades back to form a streamlined shape and make the model quite very efficient with the motor off. I also enjoy flying the more unusual type of aircraft, one of which I'll show you now. And this is in the form of a buzzard. It has a solid wing, no ailerons, not the wingtip, no controls on the wingtip at all. Again, it's got a motor and a propeller rod different to get the model in the air and to keep it in the air. In this particular case, the model has got a V-tail configuration, and the control is achieved by moving these flaps at the back, which are called ailerons. To turn the aircraft, the right aileron goes up and the left one goes down. If you want to climb the model, then both of them come up, and if you want to dive the model, both of them go down. Both models have had about 12 flights altogether, and they've lasted between 10 and 15 minutes on average. The wings come off in both cases to make transporting them by doing from the flying site by hand. I think that's about it for the moment. Thanks. Bye.